Number 1. 1970 Cadillac Eldorado Sport Coupe, $3,000, Denver, Colorado. This 1970 Cadillac Eldorado Sport Coupe highlights Cadillac's bold front-wheel drive design era. With its 8-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, 69,000 miles, and clean title, this blue coupe blends luxury with performance. The Eldorado's sharp styling and advanced engineering make it a solid entry-level collector car for enthusiasts seeking classic American elegance.
Number 2. 1974 Pontiac Luxury LeMans, $3,500, Wyoming, Minnesota. Equipped with a 400 cubic inch engine, automatic transmission, and factory sunroof, this 1974 Pontiac Luxury LeMans shows 97,000 miles and comes with many new old stock parts. It was last running several years ago and needs cleaning and minor repair. With its clean title and solid base, this Le Mans remains a great classic project, offering vintage Pontiac comfort and power. Number 3. 1974 Chevrolet Vega Kammback, $4,000, Garden City, Kansas. This orange 1974 Chevrolet Vega Kammback features a 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, new tires, and a fresh tune-up. With 100,000 miles and a clean title, it's a practical, lightweight project car with charm. The Vega's compact design and 70s styling make it appealing to those who enjoy restoring small, nostalgic American cars. Number 4. 1971 Dodge Charger, $4,000, Freeland, Washington. A promising project, this 1971 Dodge Charger offers a solid body, clean title, and a V8 engine with automatic transmission. The interior is mostly removed, but about 75% of the parts are included. With its iconic muscle car lines, this Charger provides a great foundation for restoration or custom build.
Number 5. 1980 Datsun 280ZX, $4,700, Langley Township, British Columbia. This 1980 Datsun 280ZX 10-year anniversary edition features a 6-cylinder fuel-injected engine and manual transmission. Showing 65,000 miles, it comes with spare parts and 4 extra fenders. The car has fair paint and solid glass, making it a good candidate for light restoration. Known for its smooth performance and classic design, it remains a desirable Japanese sports car. Number 6. 1989 Buick Riviera 2-door luxury coupe, $9,000, Terra, California. This pearl-colored 1989 Buick Riviera is in excellent condition with 129,000 miles. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, it drives smoothly and passes emissions despite its salvage title. Offering classic late 80s luxury and comfort, this Riviera stands out as a well-kept personal luxury coupe at a reasonable price. Number 7. 1974 Lincoln Mark IV, 9,000, Manson, Washington. This 1974 Lincoln Mark IV has 56,000 miles and remains in good condition. It's powered by a 460 cubic inch V8 paired with a C6 transmission and 9-inch rear end. Always garaged, its straight body and well-kept green paint reflect excellent care. A little maintenance will make this a beautiful example of 70s American luxury.
Number 8. 1974 Volkswagen Type 3, Brazilian model, 8800 San Francisco, California. This Brazilian 1974 Volkswagen Type 3 1600 TL runs and drives well with its air-cooled flat-4 engine and 4-speed manual. With 41,000 miles, clean title, orange paint, and black vinyl interior, it features front disc brakes, lowered suspension, and 15-inch alloy wheels. A stylish and rare import that offers fun and simplicity. Number 9. 1965 Plymouth Sport Fury, $9,000, Corona, California. The 1965 Plymouth Sport Fury packs a 383 cubic inch big block engine, 727 automatic transmission, and sure grip Pawsey rear end. It runs strong and sounds great, but needs a few finishing touches. With a clean title and bucket seat interior, this car captures the power and personality of the 60s muscle era. Number 10. 1950 Willys Jeepster, $6,000, Costa Mesa, California. Powered by a 4.4-liter Chevrolet V8 with a 3-speed automatic transmission, this 1950 Willys Jeepster runs well and includes new interior panels and a canvas top. With 55,000 miles and a clean title, it delivers vintage open-air driving fun and classic style. A solid running project that just needs minor cosmetic work. Number 11. 1969 Monza 140 Corvair Convertible, $13,000, Bullhead City, Arizona. This rare 1969 Chevrolet Corvair Monza Convertible shows 56,913 miles and has a clean title. Equipped with a 140 horsepower flat-six, 4 carburetors, and automatic transmission, it drives uniquely with its rear engine setup. Red paint and a clean interior make it an appealing and collectible late production Corvair.
Number 12. 1974 Oldsmobile 98 Regency 2-door hardtop, $12,500, Renton, Washington. This 1974 Oldsmobile 98 Regency has only 37,200 miles and a clean title. Powered by a 455 cubic inch rocket V8, it remains unmodified and in excellent shape. Originally purchased new in Washington, this top-tier luxury car reflects Oldsmobile's finest craftsmanship and is ready for light restoration or show display.